What is the lifespan of a residential HVAC compressor? A residential heating, ventilation, and air conditioning compressor usually lasts about 10 to 15 years, although good maintenance, correct sizing, and gentle operation can sometimes help it last 20 years. The compressor is the part that pumps refrigerant through your air conditioner or heat pump, moving heat out of your home during cooling and bringing heat inside during heating. It works like the heart of the system because the refrigerant cannot travel without it. Its lifespan depends on how often the system runs, whether the unit is the correct size, and how clean and well-maintained it is. A system that is too small may run almost constantly, while one that is too large may turn on and off too often, and both situations can wear out the compressor. Dirty filters, blocked outdoor coils, low refrigerant, and poor electrical connections can also make the compressor work harder than it should. One lesser-known problem is that low refrigerant does not simply reduce cooling. It can cause the compressor to run hot and damage its internal parts. Ask a qualified technician to check refrigerant levels, electrical components, airflow, and the outdoor coil during regular service. Replacing filters regularly and keeping leaves, grass, and other debris away from the outdoor unit can also reduce stress. A common mistake is assuming that weak cooling automatically means the compressor has failed, when the real problem may be a dirty filter, a bad capacitor, or a refrigerant leak. So get a complete diagnosis before approving replacement. Another misconception is that adding refrigerant fixes the system permanently, but refrigerant should not disappear in a sealed system, so the leak must be found and repaired. Also, do not ignore loud humming, hard starting, tripped breakers, or unusual heat from the outdoor unit, because early service may prevent a small electrical issue from becoming compressor damage. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.